Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to autoplay video on product page. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have built your Shopify online store with DOM theme, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and I am going to open this product. And I wanted to add autoplay video above the product description. Okay, to do this, I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click on the product. Then open this product, Kiss Tell. Here is the Kiss Tell product. Click on it. Then click on this icon, show HTML, and make a little bit space in here. Okay, and simply add this code. Now the question is that where you will get this code. You will get this code snippet link in the video description, and you can easily copy this code from my website and paste it on your store. So I'm going to copy this code and paste it in here. Then click on the save. Now go to the product page, reload. Wow, you can see that a video is displaying in here and it automatically playing. Looks good. Now the question is that how you can change the video after implement this code and add your video in this code. Okay, now go back my code editor and you can see that after embed there is a video ID. It's called video ID. Looks very carefully. And how you will get this video ID? You have to just go to YouTube, and this is the video, and we have used this video ID. And if we want to use different, for example, you want to add this video, just click on it, and you can see that here is the individual video ID. Just copy this code and change this video ID in here. Looks very carefully. In here, click on the save. Let me show you in the code editor also. Just change this video ID. Okay, then copy total code or just change this video ID in here. Okay, now I'm going to reload and you can see the difference right now. Wow, I hope you understand everything very clearly, how to add autoplay video on your product page. And I believe now you can do that by yourself. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.